The story behind later is indicative of just the idea that you'll do something later, the idea of procrastination. Not so much that like a lot of people interpret it like late night Lou, like some sort of because it's a talk show. But really what it is before this channel became this podcast show that we're doing, I put music on here. And I had always wanted to do music in some way or like experiment with it. I had done it a lot when I was younger, and then I got into this channel. Life happened, things changed, and I didn't do as much of it. And so then I would treat music as a thing that I would do later. You see? And I had a history, in general, my personality, a history of procrastination. And kind of the procrastination that anybody who's creative about anything probably has, which is the idea that there's going to be time to do it later. Because it's never imperative that you do the thing or make the thing. You don't have to. No one's forcing you. And so the concept of later is like all those things in your life that you say that you'll do later that you could do now. And so when I started the music channel, it was obvious that that was the thing I was putting off doing later. But then it became this because I knew I wanted to progress to some other type of show here on YouTube beyond just what was happening with Unbox Therapy. So this show became the later thing. And then it also helped that I could get Lou Later on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Like it was an available name as well. So you got to check that out. You got to, whenever that's possible. And it just had a little ring to it. LL, you know, LL Cool J, Lou Later, whatever. It's, hopefully there's a little inspirational piece in there of like, you can glance at that and you can take your very own later and turn it into a now. You see that? I didn't set this up. I didn't put that question there. I didn't set out to have a little motivational element here. But now I'm saying take your later and make it now? What am I doing? Is it T-shirts? What is this, a little thing you put on the wall?
Yep.
Wow. Never expected to get there. But in all seriousness, you should do that.